Charles Darwin. Life history and discoveries. Charles Darwin was a famous scientist known for his ideas about evolution and natural selection. His work changed the way we understand the diversity of life on Earth. Here's a kid-friendly overview of his life history and discoveries. Early life. Charles Darwin was born on February 12, 1809, in England. He loved exploring nature as a child and was curious about animals and plants. Voyage on the HMS Beagle. When he was 22 years old, Darwin went on a voyage on a ship called the HMS Beagle. The trip lasted for 5 years and took him to different parts of the world. During the voyage, he collected specimens of plants, animals, and fossils and made many observations about the natural world. Theory of evolution. One of Darwin's biggest ideas was about evolution, which means that living things change slowly over a very long time. He noticed that animals and plants in different places looked similar but also a bit different. He thought this happened because they had adapted to their environments. Natural selection. Darwin also came up with a concept called natural selection. This means that animals and plants with traits that help them survive and have babies will pass on those traits to their offspring. Over time, more and more individuals will have those helpful traits, making the whole population better suited to its environment. Book, On the Origin of Species. Darwin wrote a book called On the Origin of Species, where he explained his ideas about evolution and natural selection. He published the book in 1859, and it became very famous. People were excited by his new way of thinking about life. Impact of his work. Darwin's ideas sparked a lot of discussions and debates among scientists and the public. His work changed how people thought about the origins of life, and it laid the foundation for modern biology. Legacy. Charles Darwin's ideas are still very important today. Scientists continue to study evolution to learn more about the history of life on Earth and how different species are related. His work also helped us understand why there are so many different kinds of plants and animals in the world. Charles Darwin's voyage and ideas about evolution and natural selection are a big part of the story of how we understand life and its diversity. His work continues to inspire scientists and thinkers around the world.